we are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary, including food names, but also names from science as well, like this is. So how do you go about pronouncing it? Let's break down the pronunciation. There are actually two different ways of pronouncing it. Most common in British English, Leguminosae, Leguminosae. That's how it's generally said in English. Now, in American English, it's also sometimes said as Leguminosae, Leguminosae, or Leguminosae. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Yes, I think now you know Leguminosae. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.